What's up, sneaker family? It's Footprints, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get the speckles or sprinkles back on a pair of Oreo 6s using the airbrush gun. Okay, so for this to work, first you're going to need to take the nozzle off of your airbrush gun and unlock your needle so that you're able to pump the needle back and forth. The goal is to get the paint to fall into the air nozzle of the airbrush gun. And we'll do this by tilting our airbrush downward so we can use gravity. Next, you're going to press on the trigger and pull and push the needle back and forth so that the paint goes through the nozzle and comes out to create the speckles. Just keep in mind that the quicker you push or pull, the bigger the splatter. There are some airbrush guns out there that you don't have to necessarily unlock it and pull back the needle back and forth. You can actually pull on the lock and pull the needle back and forth, or even lock it in place. But with the airbrush gun I'm using, we'll be doing it manually. I'm using a roll of tape here to keep my sneaker on an angle as I apply the sprinkles. After I'm done, I'll just set the sprinkles in with a hair blow dryer on medium heat. And then we're all done. If you don't like the way that they turned out, just simply grab yourself a magic eraser and some soap and water and just wipe off the sprinkles. You may have to adjust your paint's thickness or thinness depending on the look you're going after. Then just reapply your sprinkles until you're satisfied. Thank you for watching. And please go check out my other video about how to recreate a logo on a pair of off-white ones. What's up, sneaker family? It's Footprints. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recreate a damaged logo on a pair of off-white ones. So all you'll need for this project is... My name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in reglues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available, and I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again.